Hello friends, today we are going to read 4th class chapter 2. Noses the Little Fir Tree. Let's read and sing. Noses. I looked in the mirror and looked at my nose. It's the funniest thing the way it grows, stuck right out where all of it shows, with two little holes where the breathing goes. I looked in the mirror and saw in there the end of my chin and the start of my hair, and between there isn't much space to spare, with my nose like a handle sticking there. If ever you want to giggle and shout and can't think of what to you it about, just look in the mirror and then no doubt you see how funny your nose sticks out. Ellen Fisher. New words: mirror, funniest, breathing, sticking, giggle. Reading is fun. 1. Why does the poet feel that the nose is a funny thing? 2. Why is your nose important for you? 3. Does the child in the poem like her nose? Why do you think so? Let's talk. 1. Describe a few funny things you have seen. Do they make you laugh? 2. What does features mean? Look up the dictionary. What are the different kinds of features of people we come across in the world? Discuss. Let's sing. Sing this song and march as you sing. When you came to Ginga, take 2 steps back and say 2, 3. Then start again. There was a girl so tall and thin and fair. Her hair was the delicate shade of giggle. Fun time. 1. Sit in groups. 2. Look at your friend's face and describe what you see. Us. Words like long, round, oval, slanted, sharp, flat to help you. You can use other words also. 3. What is your favorite fruit? Describe it in 5 sentences. A. How does it smell? B. How does it look? C. How does it feel? D. When you bite it, what sound does it make? E. How does it taste? Let's exercise a breathing exercise. Close your right nostril with your right thumb. Inhale slowly through your left nostril till your lungs are filled with air. Now close your left nostril with your second and third fingers. Remove your finger from the right nostril and exhale through it. Repeat this exercise slowly in the beginning, and with practice increase your speed. Let's write. 1. Do you know a fish breathes from its gills? Write 2 sentences about other animals which can breathe underwater. 2. Punctuate the following passage. Mother, father, Nilam said, I have got a fire engine. I have got a fire engine. What's this? What's this called, mother? Somewhat confused by the noise. I have got a fire engine. Mother, come and see it. Using a red pencil, choose and circle the things who smell you like. Now with a blue pencil, circle the things whose smell you do not like. Make 5 sentences like this. I like, do not like the smell of dash because it reminds me dash. Petrol, rose, canned chocolate, chips, shampoo, rotten fruit, champa, dirty shoes, soap, agarbatti, marigold, paint, garbage, coffee, lychee. Let's sing. What is it? Tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail, and hop he goes. What is he? Can you guess? I feed him carrots and watercress. His ears are long, his tail is small, and he doesn't make any noise at all. Tall ears, twinkly nose, tiny tail, and hop he goes. Mary Lacy Olin. Write 3 pairs of words that rhyme with each other. The Little Fir Tree. Sati the magician was returning home when all of a sudden it began to rain. It rained heavily. Sati looked around for shelter and saw a pretty little fir tree. He ran towards it as fast as he could. Soon the rain stopped. Sati was happy that he did not get wet. Thank you. You have been kind to me. I would like to reward you. Ask for your 4 wishes, and I will grant them, said the magician. The sad fir tree, and leaves like needles, and no birds ever made their nests on it. So it said, I wish I had green leaves like my other friends. Next morning its wish was granted. Soon a goat came along and ate all the green leaves. Oh dear, said the fir tree, I wish I had gold leaves, as goats do not eat gold leaves. When the little fir tree woke up the next morning, it was surprised to see gold leaves. How happy I am, it said. A man came along and stole the gold leaves. I wish I had glass leaves instead, man. Do not steal glass leaves. The next day, its glass leaves shone in the bright sun. How happy I am, it said. At night the wind blew, all the glass leaves broke. Oh dear, said the fir tree, I like my old needle-like leaves best, for goats do not eat them, no man can steal them, the winds will do them no harm. The tree went to sleep. When it woke up the next morning, it had all its needles back again. Oh, I never was so happy, said the little fir tree. New words: pretty needles leaves gold stole. Reading is fun. 1. Tick the correct answer. A. The pretty little fir tree was happy with gold leaves. A goat came along and ate them. All the leaves got wet in rain. A man stole them. B. The fir tree was sad because it had yellow leaves, because it had needle like leaves, because it was very short. C. The fir tree was not happy with the gold leaves because the goats came and ate them up. A man stole them. The gold leaves broke. Word building. 1. By changing the circled word to its opposite, rewrite these sentences. 1 has been done for you. A. I carry a light bag to school every day. I carry a heavy bag to school every day. B. Rina won the race. C. I love eating vegetables. D. This glass of milk is full. E. The old man is wise. Now give the opposite of the words below by adding an or im. Happy, polite, seen, proper, lucky, possible, important, perfect, healthy, safe, patient, pure. 3. Lita loved her dog Shiru. Every day Shiru would go out of Shiru would go out of the house and come back himself, but one day he did not came home. Rita looked everywhere for him. Tears rolled down her cheeks. Shiru was lost. He was now where to be found. Rita was crying when she reached home. She got into her bed. All of a sudden, something jumped on her. Can you guess who it was? Rita was very happy. Give the opposites of the words in blue.